Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change gender in GTA 5 Online. Alright, let's begin. To change your character's gender in GTA Online, you need to create a new character. The game does not allow changing gender on an existing character. Because of this, it is not recommended to do this on your main character, since deleting it will permanently remove all progress, money, and properties. Start by opening the pause menu. Go to the Online tab and select Manage Character. This will take you to the character selection screen at the police station. Here, you will see all available character slots. If you have not created a second character yet, select an empty slot to begin creating one. During the character creator process, you can choose your desired gender and customize appearance options. If you already have a second character and want to change its gender, select that character and choose the delete option. After deleting it, select the empty slot again to open the character creator. Choose the new gender, complete the setup, then save and continue. Your new character will load into GTA Online, so that's basically how you can change gender in GTA 5 Online. That's it for this video. Thanks!